Hello everybody, and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this September the 19th. It's a beautiful evening. It's rained for the last 3 days. But anyway, I want to take a few minutes and show y'all two beauty berry bushes I have over here in the corner. So let me walk up closer. Alright, I have two of them. One of them here and one in the back. These both are about 3 years old. And last year I wasn't sure what they were. I thought it was an American beauty berry bush, but I've since did some research and I believe it's just a beauty berry. The difference is the American beauty berry, the berries are more closer to the branch and they go all the way around it. Where these, if you can see right here, I'm going to lift it up, the berries come off each node. Looks like there's two to three sets off each node, and it'll have like leaves, some berries, leaves and berries, leaves and berries. And about June they start to have little flowers at each node, and then I guess around July they start to get berries. They get these green berries, and then right now in late August, September, they start to change to purple. This is September 9th, so you can see it's about halfway done, and then by the end of September it'll be all purple for September and October and November until it's dead. But anyway, it's just gonna be you can see how much they're all about halfway done. Anyway, the purple will get a little bit darker, and it is a beautiful bush, the beauty berry. There are lots of different uses for them in landscapes. I have them as just a block in between my garden and the side of the house. So I have two of them on the side of this house that gets mostly shade and some sun, and that's about what they require. They require sun and shade. They are super low maintenance. They don't require any work at all. I just kind of trim them to keep them off the house, and then during the winter when all the leaves are gone and all the berries are done, I just trim them all the way back. I trimmed these back about 18 inches from the ground. The beauty berry bush might be a good addition to your garden. Like I said, they're low maintenance. They're beautiful in the fall. Gives your yard some color, and nature loves them. You can make some jellies out of the berries, which I have not done. But anyway, they are nice. The beauty berry bush. Bye.